Hello everyone, it's me, Karatunga Joseph again, and I'm here to take you through an interesting Microsoft Word number. And it says you have been asked to send invitation letters to people to be invited for your graduation party. The letter contents are the same for all the persons except the address, names, and pledge. So save your work as your name and personal number. Below is the letter to be sent and a table of people and their pledge. So this is the letter, and then below here, these are the people who are going to receive the letter. So the letter contains, the body says, you are invited, dear someone, you are invited to attend a wedding ceremony of Okud Thomas and Komendo Jacqueline, scheduled to take place at St. Maria and St. Joseph Restaurant and Takeaway, Buganda Road. Please don't forget your pledge of. So the pledge is also not given, meaning it is also going to be in our table, as we can see down here. We shall be grateful if our invitation is honored. Thanks, yours truly, Henry Corona. So we are going to use these details in the table to fill the words in brackets, like pledge, name, and address. So let's read the question. The question says, use the appropriate method in any word processing program to make a letter to be sent to each person in the table. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to our desktop, we right click, create a new folder. I will call it my name, Karatunga Joseph, and my personal number is 758. I can open my folder. Then after opening, I right click, I come to new Microsoft Word document. I can rename it as my name and personal number, Karatunga Joseph 7558. That is my personal number. So so after the document is open, I can begin the typing. So I can click, close this one. Okay. Can close this one, I don't need it. I'll use this one. Okay. Then I can copy my work, paste my work here. So this is the letter. Let me just organize it. The address, Kampala. The date is on a new line. The address and the salutation plus the body. Then thanks, yours truly, Andre Corona. Then I can also put this one on a new line. I can increase the font size of the whole document. Then I can right align my address, the sender's address. Okay, that is it. I can save changes. Then so we are going to send the letter to these people. So I'm going to go in Microsoft Word. I go to the mailings tab. It is this tab that we use to create to send letters to many people, one letter to multiple people. Mailing start mail merge, step by step mail merge wizard. Then I come to what type of document are you working on. I will select letters. Then I click next. How do you want to set up your document? I'm going to use the current document. Next. Select recipients. I'm going to type a new list. Then I create. Then when I come here to create a new list, I can see that I have so many columns. Okay, let's continue. So I have very many columns, title, first name, so I'm going to customize some. So I will customize 3 columns. The first one I will rename it. I call it name. According to my table, name is the first column. I can call it name. The second one I call it address. Okay. And the last one I will call it pledge. I name it pledge. Then I click OK. Okay. Then I'm going to open to begin. The first recipient is called Daphne from Bugolobi and she pledged a cake. So I will come here and type Daphne. From Bugolobi and she pledged a cake. Then I click on new entry. This second person is Amos Kasubi Wine. Amos from Kasubi and he pledged wine. Then the third one is Brian Chitintale Bride Shoe. I will type here Brian Chitintale pledged the bride shoe. Then the fourth one is Marion Bunga Gifts. So I will put here Marion Bunga and then gifts. New entry Simon Mutungo gown. Simon Mutungo he pledged the gown. After writing all my recipients, then I can click OK. So after clicking OK, a dialog box will appear and they want me to save my data source. So I will save it inside my folder on desktop. Look for my folder. Then inside here I can name my data source as recipients table. Then I click on save. So after saving, such a dialog box will appear showing me all my recipients and they have to be ticked. In case one is not ticked, he will not appear in the letters. His letter will not appear. So they all have to be ticked. Then I click OK. After clicking OK, I go to the next step of writing my letter. So how do I write my letter? So I will come here, I highlight the address in my document. Then I come on more items here. I match address with address. Then I click on insert. I close. Then I can enter. Then I do the same. I highlight name. I come to more items. I also match it with name. Then I click insert. I close. I go to pledge. I highlight pledge with its brackets. Then I come to more items and I match it with pledge. I insert, I close. So then I go to the fifth step of previewing my letters. So when I preview the first letter, this is letter 5. I can see from here or here. So this is recipient 5. So it is Mutungo. The address is Mutungo Simon, and he pledged a gown. I can put some space. Then I want to see the first one. I can click here. So the first one is Bugolovi, dear Daphne, and she pledged a cake. So that's how you view. Even you can go ahead and print your letters. So that's how we use mail merge. You can even go ahead and complete the merge by printing or editing individual letters. So thank you so much. That was today's number. We meet in another video. Thank you so much. I can save and close.